Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I want to show you all my latest finished diamond painting. Starry Night. And I got so much bling on here, y'all. Y'all can see that shimmer, can't you? All throughout here. Well, I had trouble with this one because of the way it was folded up in the package. It still got the wrinkles. I don't know if you can see the wrinkles. And I would lay a bead or a drill, and then I look at it later on, it's popped up because of the wrinkle. So the rest of them in the set, they're probably going to be like this too. So I'm going to see if I can get my money back. I'm going to keep this, and they can have the other three back, because it was too much trouble. I had to keep going back over and over what I had already done. Okay, I like the finished results. Isn't that cute? I like it. So I'm getting ready to cut the borders, all this off, so I can put it in my portfolio album. Y'all seen my portfolio of diamond paintings. I found some diamonds to put on here. Okay. There's my first one. That's cute. This is my second one. Somebody thought that was the same thing. No, it's different. See, different colored trees. And the snowman. That's my third one. And I'll be putting the Starry Night in here, right behind the snowman. So I'm putting them in order as I finish them. And I learned how to finish them faster, y'all. I'll show y'all the next one I'm working on. But I'm going to cut this, and I'll be back and show y'all me placing this. Or maybe y'all want to see me cut it. Mess up my nails I just did. Okay. I'm cutting very close. Y'all can see what I'm doing. I don't save all this table and the color key and all that. Once I'm done with it, I'm done. I ain't trying to go back and recreate nothing. And when the beads that I have left over from this, they just going in a Ziploc bag. I ain't trying to save all that. What's the point? You get beads with every kit. I got enough stuff and junk around here. If I find that I need some extra beads, I'll just empty some of the beads out and pick out what I need. And I did finish this with a diamond painting sealer. Got this from Amazon. Comes with like a sponge applicator top. So what you do is you squeeze it out on the painting and then just rub the applicator, the sponge applicator, all over the painting. And it doesn't dull the shine, else I wouldn't keep using it. Okay, almost done. So I just ordered a roller. They call it a brayer. So when I'm done with each painting, somebody told me to clean it with a baby wipe, because sometimes that glue leaves a residue on the beads. So clean it off with a baby wipe, so that it get off any residue. Then I roll it. cut a bead. Okay, get a little closer. Can't get no closer than that, so I'm gonna get closer because I see a piece of the white border, and I don't want to see that because it's gonna be on a black page. Almost done, and you see it's still pliable, so that sealer doesn't make it stiff or anything, and it doesn't dull the shine. I need that fan on. I know I'm hot up in here. So in another video after this, I'm going to show y'all the technique I use that I learned on YouTube University from this lady named Mrs. Coffee. She diamond paints all the time, and she knows all the tricks and tips and all that. So I watched a video on using multi-placers. So you can place more than one bead at a time. This is how it looks. And I'm not going to frame them. I'm hanging up because I got my other artwork from I use acrylic paints to paint with, so that's what I got on my walls. So I ain't got room for everything. So these be nicely displayed in my portfolio. Okay, there it is. Nice. Okay, and I'm going to show you what I'm working on now. I've been busy. Oh, Christmas tree. Let me see, can y'all see this? No, you can't see it. So I'm working on a Christmas tree. See, I still got the plastic cover on it. You're supposed to leave the cover on till it's finished. And you're supposed to, when you work on it, you pull it back little by little as you work on it. So stay tuned for the video where I show you how I place more than one bead at a time. Okay. I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye.